Good morning students, today we are going to discuss horizontal test in the functions. Already we studied what is vertical test. What is the use of vertical test? To check the given curve is a function or not. Here horizontal test is used to check the given function is onto or not. So for that what we have to do, suppose this is the given curve, y equal to f of x is the given curve, and we know every domain element are taken on the x-axis, codomain elements are taken on the y-axis. So the codomain element onto, what is the meaning of onto? Every codomain element should have the pre-image. So I am taking some codomain element here y1. Through that point, if you draw the horizontal line, it will meet the curve. It will meet the curve, then only it will be onto. Why? Because if it meets the curve, see here, through the y1 I am drawing one horizontal line. It meets the curve, so you will get here some pre-image. For y1 we have pre-image. So suppose I am drawing here y2. Again you will get some x2. So every pre-image, when it horizontal line cuts the curve, then automatically you will get the pre-images. But here for this one element of codomain we don't have any pre-image. Why? Because it is not intersecting the curve. So if it is not intersecting the curve, it is not onto. When horizontal line intersecting the curve, then it is onto. So here also horizontal line, how many pre-images we are getting? 2, no problem. For codomain element, you may have more than one pre-images, no problem. So this is onto and this is onto, but this is not onto for this codomain element. So this is the use of horizontal test. Okay, right. Now let us discuss some operations on functions. Operations on functions. Now let us discuss about some operations on functions. Okay, that is composition of mappings. It is known as composition of mapping. Composition, right? Composition. Let I am taking one function f from x to y, and I am taking another function g y to z. Okay, I am taking two functions. One is defined from x to y, another function g y to z. Be two functions. Be two functions. Be two functions. Then the function. Then the function new function h, which is defined from x to z, is defined as h of x. H of x is equal to g of f of x. G of f of x for every element x belongs to x, capital X belongs to capital X, is called composition of mappings. Composition of f with g. F with g. Okay, f with g. Now this is the definition of composition of mappings, which is defined from f to g. Okay, let me explain this with some example. Suppose I am having one function f here, which has domain and codomain. Here domain having some 3 elements and codomain having x, y, z. Okay, and I am taking another function g. Here g having x, y, z as a domain and codomain having some 3 elements. Okay, right. Here first element is related with x, second element related with y, third element related with y, and from g, x is related with last element, y is related with second element, z is related with last element. Now observe here, f codomain, g codomain are same. So I am taking this domain of g on codomain. So I will construct new like this. I am taking here first domain f, this is f, 1, 2, 3 elements, and these are codomain elements x, y, z, and codomain of f, domain of g same. So I am taking g here. Now these are the codomain elements of g. Now how it is, first element related with x and second element related with y, third element related with y, and here x is from this g, x is related with third element, y is related with middle element, z is related with the first element. Now what we can conclude that here image of, with respect to these functions, image of this first element will be this last element. This is related with x, x is related with g, right? This is denoted by this function we can write as g circle f. This function we can write as g circle f. How it is defined? Now I am taking directly this as domain and this as codomain. See here we have three elements, and in this codomain also we have three elements. First element is related with last element. Second element related with second element. Third element also related with second element. Now I got new function which is called g circle f. So to define g circle f, see here, first function codomain f codomain, second function domain. First function codomain should be subset of second element domain. Okay, first function codomain should be subset of second function domain. Then only that is possible. Okay, g circle f is possible. Right. Now let us do one example problem. And one more note here. F circle G and G circle F are not equal. Sometimes F circle G possible, sometimes G circle F not possible. So both are not equal. That means composition of mappings will not satisfy the commutative property. Composition of mappings will not satisfy commutative property. Okay, commutative property. Right. Now let us do some example problems. Example 1. Let f equal to, I am taking one function f which contains order pairs 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 2. And another function g equal to, we have 2, 1, first order pair, second order pair 3, 1 and 4, 2. These are two functions, be two functions. Find f circle g, comma g circle f, both composition of matrix. So for that I am finding domain of f and range of f. Domain of f. What is domain of f? Is 1. What are the different elements? 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is the domain of f. Range of f. Range of f is, what is the range? What are the images? 2, 4, 2. So 2, 4 are the images. Right? Next to domain of G. Domain of G is, so a G circle F possible. Is this possible? F circle G. G domain. Check G domain. What is G domain? 2, 3, 4. Subset to G codomain. G codomain. That means range is subset to domain. Yes, subset. So is also possible. Why? Because G codomain subset are equal to F domain. So this is the reason. Now both are possible. Now I am going to find the images of the function with respect to given functions. Okay, right. What is the given function? F is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, and G having the order pairs 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2. Right? Now I am finding F circle G. So first G function, no, from G domain elements. For 2 I am getting the image. So how to define F? F of G of 2. In place of circle you use the bracket. Okay, F of G of 2. G of 2 with respect to 2 image is 1. In place of G of 2 you write 1. Next F of 1 means with respect to F 1 image is 2. Right? Similarly F circle G. G domain element 3, already 2 over. Now for the 3 I am going to check the image. So we can write f of G of 3. Now G of 3 image 1. So f of 1. With respect to 1, what is the image? 2. Similarly, another how many? 2, 3 over. Next to 4. F circle G of 4. That is f of G of 4. G of 4 2. So this will be f of 2. F of 2. F of 2 with respect to f, 2 image is 2. So this is 2. Okay. Right. Now this is f circle G. F circle G domain is 2, 3, 4 and range is 2 alone. Here also 2, here also 2, here also 2. So f circle G domain, f circle G domain is 2, 3, 4. Range only 2. Range is only 2. Range is only 2. Right. Set to 2. Now G circle F. G circle F means we have to take F domain elements. One domain element. So I am going to check the imager with respect to this function. G of f of 1. F of 1 image 2. So here write 2. Now with respect to G, 2 images 1. So 1. Next G circle F of next domain element 3. How to find G of f of 3? F of 3. F 3 image with respect to F 4. Now G of 4 image with respect to G 2. Next G circle F of last element 2. So G of f of 2. G of f of 2. 2 image with respect to F 2. So G of 2. Now 2 image with respect to G 1. 2 image is 1. Okay. What we got? Range 1, 2 and domain 1, 3, 2. 1, 2 is range and 1, 3, 2 are the codomain. Right? F circle G. So G circle F. Now this is G circle F domain. Domain is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And range is what we got? Range elements 1, 2. Right? Both we found domain and range. G circle F circle. Okay, right? Now some examples of this. Suppose another example. Let f and g be the two functions. Functions from R to R, from real number to real number, defined by f of x is equal to 3x minus 4, f of x equal to 3x minus 4, and g of x is x square plus 3. Now find f circle G circle F. Find f circle G and G circle F. Now I am going to find this f circle G and G circle F. Suppose I am applying f circle G on x. How we can write f of solution? F of G of x. F of G of x definition is what? X square plus 3. In place of G of x I am writing the definition. Now treat this as x. F of x. In place of x you have to substitute this. By the definition of f, 3 into in place of x you have to substitute this. X square plus 3 minus 4. So it will be 3x square plus 9 minus 4. 3x square, that is equal to 3x square plus 5. 3x square plus 5. Similarly, I am going to find G circle F of x definition. So G of f of x. G of f of x. So G of f of x here. What is the definition? 3x minus 4. Now again treat this as x and substitute in G definition in place of x. So 3x minus 4 whole square plus 3. Right? By expanding this, what you will get? 9x square plus 16, 24x plus 3. 9x square minus 24x, 16 plus 3, 19. This is the definition of G circle F. Okay. Right now, another example. Next example, let f comma g. Let f comma g define from R to R. Define from R to R. F of x definition is 2x minus mod x. G of x definition is 2x plus mod x. 2x plus mod x. Find f circle g, g circle f. Find f circle g, f circle g and g circle f. Okay, right. Now here we have mod. Mod means modulus function. It is depending on x quantity. If x is less than 0, in place of mod x we should take minus x. If x is greater than 0, in place of mod x we should take only x. So first I am writing the definition, given definition. F of x is 2x minus x. 2x minus mod x. But f of x having two cases. One is if x less than 0. If x less than 0, this will be minus x, minus or minus, plus x, 2x plus x, you will get 3x. Understand? If x is less than 0, then this will be minus x, minus or minus, plus 2x plus x, 3x. If x is greater than or equal to 0, then this will be plus x, minus x, 2x, you will get x. This is the definition of f of x when x less than 0, x greater than 0. Similarly, g of x, we have 2x plus mod x. Now I am defining g of x. If x less than 0, what will happen? Minus x, 2x, x. If x greater than or equal to 0, then this will be 2x plus x, 3x. Understood? Now I am going to find f circle g. Definition, f circle g. I am substituting x. If x less than 0. If x less than 0, then I am finding definition of f of. So f of g of x. F of g of x definition, if x less than 0, what? X. I got f of x. F of x, if it is less than 0, x less than 0, f of x will be 3x. So definition is 3x. Right? Next, if x is greater than or equal to 0, if x is greater than or equal to 0, then f circle g of x. How we can write f of g of x? F of g of x, if x is greater than 0, 3x. Right? 3x. Now, if x is greater than 0, f of 3x. Definition x. So in case of x, you have to substitute 3x. So answer is 3x. Similarly, we can find g circle f also. Now if x less than 0, then g circle f of x, g of f of x, g of f of x, g of f of x, if x less than 0 is 3x. If x less than 0, g of x is x. So you will get x. In place of x, you have to substitute 3x. So this is 3x. In place of x, you should substitute this 3x. So 3x. If x is greater than or equal to 0, then g circle f of x is equal to g of f of x, g of f of x. Right? If x is greater than 0, f of x is x. Then g of x will be x greater than 0, 3x. In place of 3x, you have to substitute x. So this is 3x. Right? Now 4. We got f circle g, g circle f definitions for x less than 0, x greater than 0. That's all.